Hi guys, welcome to Excited for Coupons. My name is Jasmine. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to share with you guys my haul. Publix has so many great deals happening this week. I'm excited for those, and that's why I wanted to share them to you on this video. Everything would have been $64.57, but everything came out to less than $5. And I am just loving the deals. That's why I wanted to share it in case you guys are interested too. As you know, in my area, the deal starts on Thursdays, which started yesterday, Thursday, June 4th, and it will end on Wednesday. So just check which day the deal starts in your area. There's some coupons that are printable, like the Bella coupons for the dog food. You have to sign up. We didn't have any problems, and we were able to buy 6 of those. They're on BOGO. The Chobani products, I also wanted to get the coffee creamer. That one is such an awesome deal, but they were out in my store. But just make sure if you go to Publix, look for those blinkies because they are the best thing you need to do those deals. So let's go ahead and get started. The first thing I did, we do love yogurt, and this was a product that we wanted to get. This one is in a Smart Source, the coupon, and it deducted $1 off 2, and it's on BOGO. So these are the yogurts. They're $3.99, and we were able to buy 2. So once you buy 2, they're $3.99. Use that coupon, deducting $1, and everything came out to $2.99, or just $1.50. But remember, this is the 4-pack, and these are the ones on BOGO. So I thought it was a pretty good deal to do on our haul. This product are cat treats, and they're not on BOGO. These are the Blue Wilderness Soft Moist Cat Treats. And the good thing is that both of the coupons are printable, so you could go ahead and print them and get them in your store. The first coupon you see is a Publix coupon, and that Publix coupon that's what makes it a BOGO. Right now they're 2 for $5, so they're $2.50 each. But using that printable, that Publix coupon automatically makes them BOGO. So you're gonna get buy one, get one. In addition, there's printable coupons available as of now. They're still available. I'm gonna provide the link below, and go ahead and print 2 of those coupons. So that way you use 2 printable coupons in addition to the Publix coupon, making these products just 50 cents for both, or just 25 cents each. So I thought they were such a great deal. And since the Publix coupon that I was able to do printed 2, I'm able to buy 4. So that's what we did. We bought 4, and we printed 2 of those printables from using 2 different computers, and it just came out to 25 cents. And as you see, the regular price would have been $2.50. So this is another great deal that I wanted to mention. And remember, you do need the Publix coupon and the manufacturer coupon, which is the printable, which are going to be provided below. Now let's move on to another awesome deal. And last night I was able to try this milk. This is from Giovanni Milk, and here's a Blinky. I wanted to show you the machine. This is a Blinky, and it's providing a $3 coupon. This $3 coupon is for the milk. They also have some Blinkies for the coffee creamer, but they were out in my store. We tried this milk, at least I tried it with my coffee, and it tastes really, really good. So what you're gonna do is buy 2. They're on BOGO, and they're $3.99. Just make sure that if they don't have it in your store, one tip that I want to say is go ahead and get them from the Blinkies, because I don't think they're going to be available. I was surprised to find them even in my store. So once you go to your store, go ahead and get the Blinkies, hold on to it. And the bad thing is that they're not giving any rain checks, so you just have to be patient and see if you find them in any store. So once you buy 2, remember they're on BOGO, you're only allowed to use 1 Blinky, because it does say a limit of 1. And just using 1 Blinky, you're only going to pay 99 cents for both, or just 50 cents for each. And as you see, each of them will be basically $4 each. So just even on the BOGO deal is a great deal, but that Blinky is really, really helpful. And if you're able to find these in your store, just also keep your eyes open for the coffee creamer, because they're also on BOGO. And there's also Blinkies. There should be Blinkies available for both. The next deal I want to mention is the Bella from Purina. This is a dog food. As you know, it could be very expensive. And it's funny because the other day I was like, wow, I'm so blessed and thankful for couponing, because we're able to get a lot of these items. Like, they're so expensive for our puppy, and a lot of the times we get them free or for very little, and we like to stock up on that, because once we find a deal like this one, we like to take advantage of it, and this is a great deal. So we didn't have any problems with this one. You do need to sign up. We did sign up with different emails, and we were able to print it with no problems at all. So I'm going to provide that below so you guys could go straight to that link. Just put your information. It's not much to fill out. It takes less than a minute, and they're going to send that email. They're going to send a coupon to your email, and then you're going to be able to print it. So the deal is they're already on BOGO, so that's a great deal on its own. In my store, they're $5.89. Go ahead and use the coupon once you sign up. We did use 2 coupons, and I know I just put use 1, but it's actually use 2, and it came out to free and a little money maker, since you see that you're gonna get $6 in deduction. So once we purchase 6, our out-of-pocket total was 33-cent money maker. So the next thing I want to mention is this is HiChew products, and as you see on the coupon, it says any size, any variety, and it even shows this size on the bottom of that coupon. So it's showing most of their products. These you could find once you're going to go on the checkout line. You know, they have, as you see in the picture, they have different products there, different candies that are single candy. So this one is included. We have any problems with it, so go ahead and buy one of the HiChew in my store. They're $1.09. You can find this coupon in the smart stores from May 17th, and the coupon is $1 off 1. And like I mentioned, it does say any size in the coupon. So we purchased 3, and it comes out to $1.09 each, but using that coupon it will deduct $1, making it just 9 cents each. So here's my haul. I really wanted to share with you guys because I believe there's many great deals. Those are the products we wanted to purchase. We wanted to get the challenge, the butter sticks. They're on BOGO. There's no coupon for it, but they're on BOGO. They're already all out in my store. We wanted to get the Giovanni, the coffee creamer, and they were out as well. So I just wanted to really share with you guys in case you are interested in going to Publix and want to see what are some of the great deals happening this week. I think these are some of those. So as you see, it would have been $64.57 for everything that I purchased. Remember, some products are on BOGO, and after the special prices and the coupons used, our total came out to $4.92 for everything you see here, just for less than $5. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like it, just you could give it a thumbs up, a like, and thank you so much for watching. Hope you, if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. So until the next video, bye.